Hello, my name is Janine Helton and I am a math teacher at Coronado. I currently teach three different subjects. I teach Algebra 1, I teach dual enrollment, pre-calculus honors, and I teach AP Calculus. I wanted to take this opportunity to tell you about your students' class. My AP Calculus class is a college level class, and so there's a lot of expectations for the students, and the lessons are quite rigorous. To start with, I want to talk about my contact information. The best way to contact me would be to use the chat feature in Teams. You simply need to start typing my name in and my name will come up and we can chat via Teams. I like this because at any point in time I will get your messages because I have it both on my phone and on my computer. Another way would be to email me at janinehelton@susd.org. I do receive those emails immediately, but the back and forth usually isn't quite as easy. And so I would say for things where you have a lot of questions or want some real clarification, email would be great for that. The final way would be to leave a message for me on my school phone. This is probably the least effective way to contact me. I check it periodically. I would then need to attempt to contact you back, and I think that would be quite cumbersome. So I would prefer either chat in Teams or email me. My calculus class has a few different learning platforms. The biggest platform that we use is Teams. We use it for our in-class meetings. We use it for our office hours, and we use it for our messaging. So I think of this hub as my communication hub. The other one that we use is Google Classroom. I use this one to post all of my assignments, all of my announcements, and so I think of this one as the hub to my calendar that keeps the students organized. And so there they can find all of the assignments that's due for them the very next day. We also use a lot of other platforms. We use WebAssign, we use OneNote, we use Edpuzzle, we use iExcel, we use School City. And so there's a lot of different things that we're going to use. However, all of these other resources are accessed either through Teams, Google Classroom, or single sign-in. So they're very simple for a student to understand where they need to go to access these other platforms that we use. My office hours for my pre-calculus and calculus class are Monday through Thursday from 1:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. and Friday from 2 o'clock to 2:30 p.m. On Friday, I just ask students to message me and let me know that they will be coming to my office hours so that I can be sure that I am there with my camera on waiting for them. The students already have invitations to my office hours in their Teams calendar, and they simply need to click on them and join. They don't need to come every day when we have the office hours. They need to come when they have a question or when they want clarification. I may be inviting students that I see are struggling to my office hours, and those obviously would be a requirement for them to come. My classes overview is pretty simple. There's the offline work that they need to take care of, and then there's the things that we're doing online. The offline work is watching lesson videos and taking the quizzes that are embedded in those lesson videos. Those are through Edpuzzle and they're accessed through Google Classroom. I also will have homework problems that are assigned to them through WebAssign, which is a program of Cengage, which is the textbook that our students are using for calculus. I also may ask them to do some practice problems in iExcel. This program just allows them to do some very quick questions to make sure that they're understanding the concept. When we go to class, we will be having a class discussion about the video that they just watched. So it's important that they watch that before they come to class. We will complete some example problems through OneNote, and we're able to see each other's work, and I'm able to show them work through OneNote, by the inking capabilities that they are using with these Microsoft Go computers that they've received and the styluses that they have. Finally, our unit tests and our section quizzes will be done through School City during class hours at the end of each unit. Some of my expectations for my learners is that they must complete those lesson videos prior to coming to class and have any questions that they have about those videos ready. They also need to be prepared when coming to class. They need to have a paper, the pencil, the calculator, their stylus. They need to be engaged with their cameras on and be ready to answer questions because I'm going to be calling on them just like I would be doing if we were in class. And finally, they need to be respectful. They need to mute their microphones when not speaking. I know that our students are going to be successful in this class, and I look really forward to teaching them in the classroom when we can finally get back into the school.